The Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment SURE has on the 30th November 2020 inaugurated another traditional food joint in Cham Cham village, EJHD Hills district. Just to recall, this is the second food joint that was opened by SURE. It is popularly known as Meghalaya Cafe or Mother Earth Cafe. It is one of the projects under the theme No One Shall Be Left Behind initiative in collaboration with the Northeast Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society NDS FAS, sponsored by Rural. This particular village, Cham Cham, is only 33 kilometers from Jowai and 24 kilometers from Clarion. This place is also blessed with beautiful falls, and to name a few, Mupun Falls in Mutong, Rinji Falls, Sak Sau in Cham Cham, Latang Falls in Lum Chirmit, Umberlane Falls in Rangat and others. In the inaugural function, people from all walks of life participated, which include the VDPs, womenfolk, menfolk, teachers, ASHA and others. Speaking on the occasion, the village elder or the Wahe of Cham Cham, Shri Lo Dakar, expressed gratitude to the SURE team for the innovative ideas and strategic planning to make this day special. He also said there was a plan to implement this particular idea, but it didn't happen, and the SURE team is the first to implement this idea of preserving the traditional way of cooking. Promotion of the different types of Khasi traditional musical instruments, handmade materials, etc. are some of the objectives of setting up this place. The Wahe also gave his assurance to promote this place by keeping more of the traditional instrument to make the tourists aware of the customs and traditions of the people through these instruments. Srimati Pasqualina Lamare, associate of SURE, stressed on the importance to go back to traditional food since most of the younger generation are being alienated from the traditional way of cooking. In the meantime, this food joint Meghalaya Cafe will also improve the livelihood of the people in the area since tourists coming to this place love to taste our local cuisine. She also urged the locals to maintain cleanliness. Others speaking on this day are Somja Phawa, Field Coordinator of SURE, and Rolly Phawa, the owner of Meghalaya Cafe, and others.